Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2019 Nissan Sentra, and we're going to go over how you would replace your front bumper or put your front bumper back on your vehicle if you've pulled it off because it was broken or damaged, or the headlights, you needed to pull those off because you needed to take the front bumper off to do that, and anything else that you would need to get inside here. There is a quick sensor right here, which is your called an ambient temperature sensor that you could easily maybe need to replace also if you got the codes going off for that. And this is just as simple as just unhook it and pull this away. This is the intelligent computer machine. It's going to tell you how close you are to vehicles and so forth. There's minor adjustments to do here. 2 bolts to undo, electrical connector to undo and remove it. But really be very careful with the thing so you don't break it if you're doing anything. So those are the other 2 things mainly behind here, and or the lock mechanism for the latch, the safety latch, and the lock mechanism if you need to replace that. Those are the reasons why you would take off the bumper. This you could just take off the little grill piece, but the concept's if you have it off, if you need that type of stuff to do. So once you've done all the work behind here, you need to bring your bumper back up in front, and you're just going to kind of lift it up, work its way a little bit, if you can get loose. So we've got 2 tabs. We want to push these in right there. And those 2 tabs lock in and hold they're holding the bumper on there at the moment. We have lots of push pins to put in. Get your bumper to go in between the plastic there for the light assembly. And then you have this, once you got it around the under the light assembly, then we have this gap right here that we're going to work this up, get it into place, and then this will lock in the tabs, and then we have 1 bolt that goes through here. So over here we have 1 bolt that needs to go up. It goes into the bumper, well, from the bumper into a plastic clip that's on the fender itself. Okay, so we're looking right up in here. So we just need to pull this back a little bit, and that's right there where we need to be. And so if we just pull that back a teeny bit, we don't need to go too much. That way we can put this bolt / screw in with a P3 or a number 10 millimeter wrench or ratchet. Just tighten that up, and then you can put that back, and there's 1 more push pin to put in right there. And so that's how you attach this side to the other side. So on this other side, same thing. I'm going to bring this in between the light assembly itself. So we've got that worked in there, down there. So now, after your bumper has been reattached, it's sitting up against there, you're just going to have a very good assortment of push pins that you got to put in. There's 2 push pins to put in here. There's a push pin down here, push pin down here, and then you would put this cover cap on, and you got a big various assortment of more push pins to put in here. Hold that all together. Down under the bumper, down under here, there's push pins all on the front that attach to safe shield there. There's a screw that goes right about here, another screw here with a push pin in the middle, and that connects to the front fender well, and the same on that side of 2 screws / bolts, and then push pins. And so that's how you reattach your front bumper on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.